I like to melt my butters and my oils in the same pot. I am adding Kaolin clay here, 2 tablespoons of Kaolin clay. Kaolin clay is so good in soaps. Gives you that silky feel of the soap. Adding my salt and water. Salt water and sugar water. And here is my lye. My temperatures are between 80 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Salt makes the soap creamy and also helps it harden, and the sugar helps with the bubbles. So I just take some of my water for the recipe and use it to dissolve the sugar and salt together. I like to switch between the stick blender and my spatula when I'm mixing the soap. The spatula helps me feel the texture of the soap better. And also, at any given point, sometimes your stick blender breaks down, so you have no choice but to use your spatula. I touch to feel the temperature of the soap, which gives me an idea of how to insulate it. If it's very hot, I lightly insulate. If it's kind of warm to low, I heavily insulate to force the gel phase. Time to cut. 18 hours later. This soap smells so nice, even though it's not scented. Sometimes the natural ingredients just bring out its own aroma. I will bring you the lather tests of the soap once it cures. I know you want to know how it lathers. Beautiful. See you in the next video.